Alphablocks. Are you ready? And round one! It's a big event tonight, T. Have SH got the brains to beat the champs?
It's too early to tell, Bee. Let's see how this first round turns out. Shh. 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 Shh.
Oh! Shop! Fish bash rush!
Terrific technique. Will CH be able to top that?
Charge! Oh! Chop!
Tremendous! The first round goes to CH. Time now for round two. The trick with this event is not to look down.
Chip! Breathtaking! CH bounced off the board and landed brilliantly! Ship!
What a turnaround! SH, come out on top!
The ship was bigger! It was better! It blew the chip out of the water!
Time for our final event, the three-legged relay race.
Alphablocks, ready, set, go! Bang! SH blast off the line!
Shen!
Alphablocks! We hoped we'd catch you. Want to drive? Choo-choo! All aboard! We're off again.
No! The train has come unstuck! Come back!
Looks like we're not going anywhere. Cheer up! Chances are we can help. Chain!
Nice work!
Fabulous! A train! All change! Fantastic! I'm at the front! We're leaving at last! This is fun! Fail! Whoops! No! The engine has failed!
That's it! This trip is terminated!
You mean the holiday's off? We'll soon sort this out. Sail!
Terrific! Now that is the way to travel!
Set a course for sun, sea and sand.
Tally-ho! Are we nearly there yet?
Alphablocks! Bam!
Bam!
Bang! Bash!
Bash!
Crash!
Crash! Smash! Smash!
Splash! Splash!
Splat! Splat!
Perfect.
Top stuff, eh? That was truly the most tremendous trick. Here, have some tea. Typical.
Alphablocks. Pink. No.
It's incredible being invisible.
But I will not in. Shrink.
Tea, anyone?
How about a nice, cool...
Drink. Delicious.
refreshing?
Incredible. Nice. Okay. Invisible and small. Think of all the fun we can have now. But we're not. What's this? Hello, incredibly small eye. Big. We can laugh, we can sing, la 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 la.
We can make
Anything. Hold my hand.
make a magical land.
When letters get together, we go alakazam.
We can run, we can slide, we can hide in a box. Are you ready for some fun with the